Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing and setting up my KingChii 3-in-1 vertical charcoal smoker grill. Try saying that all at once. And I'll be honest, it was a little intimidating first because you have to think it's a big box, it's metal, it's got layers.
Layers! Onions have layers. Ogres have layers. Onions have layers. You get it.
But once I got into it, I started to get really excited because you can see how easy it is to put together. All you really need is just a small screwdriver and about 20 to 30 minutes. It took me a little bit longer because I filmed it all taking it out of the box, but you can definitely do it in probably shorter time than I did, and you could do it by yourself. You don't need another person to help you with this. With any unboxing, the first thing I like to do is take everything out and then fully read the instructions and make sure all the pieces are there. You don't want to get started and then realize you're missing something super important. So thankfully, notice that everything was here and we're ready to get started. And look how easy these instructions are. Really, there's only about 6 steps, which isn't a lot at all. So if I can do it, you can do it. And then don't forget to read the care and instructions. This is my first time actually using a smoker, so I did some more research online. I took away 2 pretty important things from the instruction manual. It said first, you want to lightly coat the inside of your smoker with an oil. I used a vegetable oil, and then I went everywhere except the charcoal pit. You don't want to put it in that bottom set or where the coals end up going. And look how cute my puppies are. These puppies are adorable. Okay, back to the video. The second thing is that you want to let your charcoal turn gray and ashy before putting the food on. That way you don't get, I believe it's like the chemical residue or something. You know, it really seems like everyone has their own way of smoking, barbecuing, grilling. So there's not a whole lot of wrong ways that you can do it. You'll definitely learn with time, practice, experience. It does make me wish that I had my dad around now because he used to love smoking, grilling, and I just never got to ask him these questions. So, you know, I'll tell you the sweetest thing though. This smoker, it was a gift from one of my moms, Angela. She's so sweet. She was like, hey, I have a surprise for you. What's your address? And I was like, you know where I live. What do you mean? What's my address? And then she sent me a screenshot that she was getting me this, and oh my gosh, it just brings back memories how my dad used to smoke and grill for us and make really good food. So you already know, one of the first few meals, I had to bring her something. Logistically speaking here, it's November, I live in the United States, and I just got gifted a smoker. Can you guess what I'm thinking? If you guess smoked turkey, yes, you're right. I'm just thinking about how delicious and impressive it would be to make a smoked turkey for Thanksgiving dinner. My dad used to make a green chili smoked turkey. Oh my gosh, and he made another smoked turkey. He'd make 2 at a time. I don't know how he did it. I know he had a different smoker than this, but still, like I'm just so excited thinking about the possibilities. And then this isn't just great for your backyard or your home. You can easily take it with you to, let's say, camping, tailgates, functions, I don't know. This is easy to go in your car. You know, maybe just like put some oven mitts before you leave. Dump out the coals safely or something. That'd be the only concern, but yeah, you could definitely take this with you. You can have it deconstructed in the car, then put it together when you arrive somewhere. It's so easy to clean up after too. I just use like soap and water, and then I again coated it with oil before I started the next cook. We all know it wouldn't be a true unboxing video if I didn't put this thing to the test. So that's exactly what we're doing. I'm getting it oiled up right now with vegetable oil so that way we can smoke a chicken. I'm so excited. After it's finished oiling everything up, including the water pit, it's time to put the coals in. And remember, this is my first time using coals, which just means, hey, if I can do it, again, you can do it. This wasn't too bad. So I went ahead and guessed here, and I poured in as much as I thought I should. And then I took this thing outside some more. There's no way we're doing it on the porch. I used a long lighter to just go around and light all of these little charcoals as much as I could. And then I set a timer for 20 minutes. That way, again, they could turn ashy, gray on top. And then during this time, I went inside to get the chicken ready. If you're new here, this is a judgment-free zone. Do not judge my messy kitchen. But this is my chicken. I threw as much seasoning as I could. Literally, I ran out. And I just kind of just patted it on. I used a rotisserie, paprika, onion, actually no onion powder. I didn't use that. I used garlic powder, salt, pepper, of course. And then in the water bowl down below, I filled it up to just where it has like an inch left of space, and I put in some garlic, which is basically jarred garlic. There we go. It smelled so delicious. Let me tell you, when I came to check on it in an hour, I could smell it before I fully made it outside. And then this is the part where I was like, I don't need the top. I'll just use this round dome. You can use the top if you want to put another chicken up there, which I have done before. Or you could do like even, bacon, jalapeno poppers, vegetables, potatoes. And this is me getting the chicken. It got to almost 165 out here. I got it to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really close. So what I did is I took it inside, I threw it in the oven to finish it off. I got it to 165 or more, and just look. Oh my goodness. The smoky smell and flavor was still all there, regardless of me putting it in the oven. It was absolutely delicious. Mind you, I started pretty late, which is why it got dark outside, but this thing just tasted so good. It was falling apart at the bone. There was no pink, except where maybe you should see pink, like on the thighs and stuff. But yeah, super delicious. Overall worth it. This chicken, it cost about $8 and some change. And oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you, I cut out the spine on the back of the chicken and I pressed it flat. So that's how I got it to stay so flat. It's super easy to do. You just need sharp scissors. And then these are our dinner plates. Some nice chicken, Mexican corn, homemade mashed potatoes, baked mac and cheese, and cranberry sauce. We're getting in the Thanksgiving mood over here. This was such a good dinner, and there is enough to have leftovers for the next day to feed 3 people, and then even the day after that. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I'm going to be doing a lot more unboxing videos soon, so definitely stay tuned. And then if you want to go ahead and grab the same smoker, make sure to use my link down below. It's an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission if you purchase through it. It also helps me a lot. So I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.